cute little classy bag. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if this is your first time stopping by, hi, I'm Julia, nice to meet you. Pop a comment down below if you are coming to my channel for the first time. And if you're a returning subscriber, it's nice to see you again. I wish I could give you a virtual hug. But today we're gonna be opening up the Too Faced mystery bag for 2018. I love Too Faced. It's actually one of my favorite makeup brands. Like if you were to say, Julia, what's one of your top favorite makeup brands? It would be Too Faced. So yeah, I had to get this mystery box. I have never gotten one of these before. So on Cyber Monday, Too Faced has these mystery bags on sale for $42. And you're supposed to get like way more than what you pay for. I love mystery bags. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna buy it, like sold. So let's open it up. Here is what it looks like inside. And, oh, I already see two melted items. Comes in this pretty little bag. Right. I love Too Faced's packaging, by the way. I'm gonna have to cut this. I think so. Okay, I gotta pull out the biggest thing first. Do it big, do it bad. And the first thing I got in here is the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon Palette, which I think this thing retails for $49 by itself. I'll go ahead and leave prices somewhere on the screen, that way you can see, but I actually don't have this palette. And let's take a look. Ooh, this looks really nice. So it is a cooler toned palette with some pinks. I think this is actually super unique because a lot of palettes with browns have more warm tones. It is hard to find cool tone browns, and it does smell like chocolate, and it's got like some pinks mixed in there. So I'm super excited about this. All right, next thing we have in here is a mini size Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I am actually gonna use this because I tried the waterproof one before and I really liked it, but I don't think I've ever tried, I know, I'm a bad beauty guru, but I don't think I've tried the real version of this, so that's super exciting. Next thing I got is a sketch marker liquid art eyeliner, and this looks like it's in the color deep navy blue. I'm just not a big eyeliner kind of gal. I don't know, I feel like it makes my hooded eyes look funny, I don't know. But, I mean, if you like eyeliners, this is pretty cool. I do think navy blue is a little hard to wear, so the color is kind of, I don't know. I don't think it will appeal to a lot of people like a black or a brown would, you know, but this is nice. And then we have two lip products in here. We have a Too Faced melted liquid lipstick, and then we have a melted matte liquid lipstick. So these are pretty cool. I think these, let's see, the colors are Chihuahua and Granny Panties. That is so funny. And these actually look like pretty decent colors. Since I already have lipstick on, I'll go ahead and try to find some pictures online of people wearing these colors. That way you can see. So maybe I'll put Chihuahua by Chihuahua, and I'll put a picture of Granny Panties by Granny Panties. But I think these retail for like 21 bucks each or something like that. And like I said, Chihuahua looks like a pretty wearable color. And Granny Panties, it is kind of a purple, but hey, it's pretty cool to have like a neat color. I'm glad it's not like hot pinks. Like I hate hot pinks. Like super just bright pinks. Or like oranges. I don't like either one of those. So I'm happy that I got these colors. And that is all, guys. So I will go ahead and put the full retail price of everything I got here. That way you can see. And I actually, guys, think this was a pretty good deal. We'll just recap really quick. So for 42 bucks, we got the chocolate bonbons palette. We got a mini tube of the Better Than Sex mascara. Then we got the sketch marker liquid eyeliner. And then we got 2 of the melted liquid lipsticks. So I think, guys, for next year, I mean, they don't have it on sale anymore, but I definitely would have to say I recommend this box. Oh, Jesse just got home for lunch. Hi, Sugar Bear.
Hi.
It's all hanging out. Wearing a crop top, guys.
Hi, Sue.
Hi.
Sweetie girl. Hi, sweetie girl. Hi, everybody.
But yeah, guys, I have to say, like, I think this is a pretty good bang for your buck. Yeah, I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with this little mystery box. Thank you guys so much for taking some time out of your day to come by. Subscribe if you are not already, and I will catch you in my next video.